In this video, I will show you how I make a landing page for affiliate marketing. This is my landing page. You can duplicate and you can follow step by step. This preview for website, and also we have a preview for the smartphone or handphone. This is my simple landing page. You can create and insert affiliate link, but the question is how to make a landing page. The first is we go to the canva.com and website, and then you can search template, like this. We click and find the best that you want to use. We can delete the item that we don't need. Delete. This is a delete. Delete image. Go to the AliExpress and we find the product we want to affiliate. For example, we like this product. Click. And the next is we need the image or the photo of the product. We waiting. The next is we insert or drag the image of the product. And we copy the name of the product. We resize. You can add a discount if any. The next is we insert the affiliate link. You can block and insert link, the paste in that, and we are done. After that, you can follow step by step until this tutorial Okay, that's all, and thank you and goodbye and good luck.